Hi guys, it's ToadJet, and today we're going to be playing Jailbreak, the new update. There's the Challenger, the Dodge Challenger. So let's play. Oh, suitcase, I think this. It's better than the Zors. I think it's better than the Zors. Cause it's a little bit faster, and it's comfortable to ride. 1,050 cash. Okay, let's go over here. Go city. That's a pretty good running rate. And let's go customize your car real quick. Over here. And it's really good on off-road. Let's customize this car. Hopefully, oh, I think that's a cop. Hopefully not. Yes, it is a cop. Please don't come after me. Please don't come after me. Let's go in here. Got this customized. Okay. Let's go. Let's go do some robberies. Okay. I think there was a cop there. Let's open one of these safes. Hey. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Hopefully your guys' 4th of July was amazing. Okay, is bank open? Yeah, the cop went to bank. Bank is open. Oh no, oh no. Thanks for the boost, dude. Because I'm not trying to get arrested. Let's go museum. Actually, not. I think they're probably gonna open bank. Hopefully. Yeah, I don't think he's a nice one. He's not the nicest cop. Oh yeah, he's not a cop. So let's go to museum. Let's go to museum, see what we can get there. Okay. What am I doing? Back here. Over here. Over here. Do the chest. No, don't fall off. No. Darn it, we fell off. Let's go back, see what we can get. Hopefully there is no cops at museum. Hopefully. Thank God. Thank God I have a partner to help me. Okay, hopefully it's open. Only 55 seconds. Dude, should we wait for it? I mean, I think PowerPoint is open. Can I get what? My dude, I don't know what you're saying. Wait, is this the new car? Oh, that's a Ferrari, yeah. I'm gonna go to PowerPoint. Let's go PowerPoint. The thing that this car is most known for is like its drift. Like Dodge, I'm pretty sure that's what they're known for. But some people, like when the Zurst came out, like people loved it. But then like when the Dodge came out, I think people liked it more. And the Zurst is pretty slow. What is wrong today with my driving? Can't even steer. Okay, let's go over here. Hopefully it's open. Is it? Nope. Then what's museum? No, Jew. Jewelry is open. Let's go. The one thing that I would say that they need to kind of change about this car is that it drifts way too much. Like I'm not even clicking shift to drift, but it's still drifting. Yeah, it drifts way too much. Okay, museum is open. Tell me museum is open. Is it? I don't think it's open. Is it ever become museum? Wait, I think no, that was you. I think museum is open now. I mean, it hasn't been 155 seconds. It probably has, but you want to race? I was wondering which car was faster. This one is kind of hard to control because of the drifting so much. But other than that, there's really no problem with this car. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Let's go up here. My dude, we could have just used your jetpack, but okay. Oh, it has already been broken into. Don't set off the alarms. Don't set off the alarm. I don't want the cop to know. Okay. Do this. I feel like you're gonna take my money. My dude, stop. Okay. I'll go do the other one. Oh, don't touch it. So silent. There's sometimes where I was close to touching it, but not really. Okay, let's go down here. I don't know why I like going down here. And it's really, this Dodge is really good on off-road. Still pretty fast. On the street, it drifted more. I think that's the same thing. Bro, my dude, you blasted me so far. And my rocket fuel is out. Oh, I did some sort of glitch. Yeah, we're in deeper water. Yeah, I don't think that was a smart move to do. But okay. And then imagine there's a cop camping to the side, like right here. Okay. Close to level 10. We're close to level 10. Okay. I think I can get this car out of the water. Oh, nope, that's not a cop. That's good. Let me see if I can get this car out of the water. Okay. Yeah, I can get out of the water. Okay, let's go. Let's keep on going. Let's go over here. Okay, let's go here. Is bank open? Is that a cop? Yes, it is. Oh, okay. I think he's dead. Tell me he has a key card. Okay, bank is open. Let's go bank. Bank is open. My dude, did he need to drive? Let's go. before that cop comes back. You told me nobody has a key card? I thought this dude picked up a key card. I need to get my car way closer. Okay, that's fine. I got a car. Is it? Yeah. Okay, okay. Oh, cop. Go. Are we going back or like what? Cause there's a cop in at Jew. So I don't know where we're going right now. Are we going bank or not? Let me see if anybody's here. No, nobody other than the cop. Wait, do you have a key card? Tell me you do. Please tell me you do. I don't have a key either. Okay. I guess that means you can go. You can get in. Get in, dude. Get in. Okay. Let's go. Are we going back now? I mean, do you have a key? I don't know what we're doing at this point. Oh yeah, that's a cop. Kind of back up here. Let's go over here. Do you need a gun, my dude? Let's just go power plant. I mean, I think power plant is open. Oh, that was the cop. That was the cop. That was the cop. That was the cop for sure. I am so glad he didn't catch on to us. Okay, let's go over here. Here. I don't know what you were trying to do, but it obviously didn't work, and I think that's a cop. Is it? Yeah, it is a cop. Yep, it is. Get out of here, dude. Why would you jump out of the car? I got you, dude. He might be coming for us. Oh, dude, don't go over there. Is it safe, though? Okay, it's safe. Come on, guys, it's safe. Okay. I'm glad to see that it's open. Dude, I'm doing the code. Nope. Don't do that. I got it, dude. Please don't tell me that's a cop. Please don't tell me that's a cop. No! Okay, I gotta get out of here. Please tell me you don't lock this. Thank you, dude. Thank you for not locking it, because now I'm gonna take it and get out of here. I still don't know how I didn't get arrested. Maybe next time lock your cars, cop. See, you guys see what I mean by it drifts way too much, kinda. Okay. Over here. Got another cop message. Oh. Okay. Come on, come on. Ah! I didn't even get him. And he was so low, too. Guys, that's going to be the end. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and comment down what game you guys would like to see me play next. Bye, guys.